Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of today's discussion is Stealth Frigate Tamal. Let's discuss why it is in the news. Recently, the Indian Navy is all set to commission its latest stealth multi-role frigate called Tamal. It is the eighth ship in the Kryvak class frigate series from Russia and the second ship from the Tushil class. About Tamal. The ship's name Tamal symbolizes the mythical sword used in combat by Indra, the king of gods, and blending Indian and Russian cultures. Its mascot combines Jamwant and the Eurasian brown bear, and the crew calls themselves the Great Bears. The ship's motto, Sarvada Sarvatra Vijaya, victorious always, every time, signifies the Indian Navy's undying commitment to operational excellence, complementing its motto, combat ready, credible, cohesive, and future ready force, safeguarding national maritime interests anytime, anywhere. Built at Yantar shipyard in Kaliningrad, it is the last warship to be inducted from a foreign source, in line with Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiatives. With 26% indigenous components and over 33 Indian made systems, Tamal features advanced technologies like the BrahMos supersonic missile system, vertical surface to air missiles, upgraded 100 gun, CIWS, heavyweight torpedoes, and anti submarine rockets. Tamal is equipped with advanced sensors, radars, Hamsa NG Mach 2 sonar, and an electronic warfare suite, enabling effective network centric warfare and anti submarine capabilities. The 125-meter 3,900-ton warship can operate airborne early warning and multi-role helicopters, has a top speed of over 30 knots, and was tested in harsh Russian winters by a 250-member crew. Kryvak class frigates. It is a series of multi-role warships built by Russia and now also part of the Indian Navy. Initially designed to protect naval fleets from submarine threats, these ships also possess anti-air and anti-surface warfare capabilities. Ships like INS Talwar, INS Teg belong to the Kryvak class family. Now it's time for today's practice question. What is the significance of Tamal being the last warship inducted from a foreign source for India? A. It marks the end of India's naval imports. B. It signifies the transition to Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiatives. C. It is the last foreign-built ship in India's naval fleet. Or D. It represents the final collaboration with Russia. Send us your answers in the comments section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.